Hi, good night. My name is María Camila López, student on Industrial Engineer. I am technical occupational safety and industrial safety. I am 20 years old. I am from Villavicencio. I live with my mom and sister. I live in the city of Villavicencio, which is the capital of the Colombia department of Meta, on the most important commercial center of the Eastern Plains, where I had the pleasure of inviting you to keynote and get in touch with the general cultural market be field work. Enjoy our meal suits at the beach meat on the plains. A jacket is a typical consist of a caramel double Samsung with chicken or chicken broth and pigment with a nut or a short stupid with beef steak, papar and tourist cities such as Parker, Los Fundadores, de los Socarros Biopark, where you camping at the fauna and flora of the foliage of the plains. The city has a warm climate with average temperatures during the day ranging from 21 to 30 degrees Celsius. Villavicencio is the gateway to the beautiful plain where you will find the best gastronomy and the best tourist cities where you can enjoy the outdoors, a pleasant view of the Llanero landscape. Country on vacation France. In the most important cities are Paris, mm, Marseille, Nantes, Nice, Lyon. Typical foods is the main products are butter, cheese, tomatoes, fine hairs, pork, sausages, French clothes, and a white bean characterized by elegant and sophisticated itinerary combined with accessories. Among the most important concerns of the inhabitants of the country is external to theatrical, musical, and cinematography shows. The winter is heat level of rain during the year, so during the winter, this precipitation can become snow.